Hello, my name is Taylor, and I will be going over UDL and the definition of that and how I have implemented it into my project. For my project, I chose to do 3 animated Instagram posts focused on the topic of cyberbullying. First post states what cyberbullying is. It is the use of an electronic communication to bully another person, usually used on social media. Second is ways to report a cyberbullier. Stop responding, tell an adult and ask for help, and report your account. Third are ways to prevent cyberbullying. Spread positivity, encourage others, be kind to everyone, and report the people who are being cyberbullied. Let's discuss UDL. UDL is the Universal Design for Learning Guidelines. It is broken up into 3 parts: engagement, which is the why of learning; representation, which is the what of learning; action and expression, which is the how of learning. All 3 parts are used to signal different parts of the brain. For representation, I used 1.1, offer ways of customizing the display of information. I used animation and bubbles and really pinpointed the values that I was trying to display on these Instagram posts. Next, for engagement, I used sustaining effort and persistence, the 8.1, heightened salience of goals and objectives. I think I put the objective of what I want and the students to learn, which is cyberbullying. Third, for action and expression, I believe I gave them a guide to appropriate goal setting. So just anything to where they could change the way they approach certain situations and ways that they can help others in case. For self-regulation, I implemented development of self-assessment and reflection. I believe that the project that I have created by the post gives students the chance to reflect on whether they've ever been cyberbullied or have been the cyberbullier, giving them the chance to correct the ways in which they have been using social media.